Do you recognize this sound? Yes, chain, bike chain. Noisy, rusty, costly, and the worst, you need to oil it. Is there anything we can do? Yes, there is a solution. Rubber strap. Clean, no grease, durable, not noisy. This is perfect. What can be bad about it? Well, it's not that simple. Either you need a frame that opens to fit the belt inside, or you need a very special belt that can be split in half and reconnected. You cannot insert the belt into the frame magically. It does not work like this. And honestly, I don't like either of those solutions. But I have a 3D printer and a computer to design the parts. So, let's make something. The first thing I had to do was order the longest and cheapest belt I could find online. I found this one on Walmart for less than $20. So I ordered it. For my first design, I had an idea to wrap the belt around the frame, but the belt was way too stiff to make those kinds of turns. So my second idea was to design a path for the belt so that it could pass around the frame without touching it. My priority was that the top part, which is under tension, had to be straight. The bottom part was just there to keep the belt tight and guide it around the frame. Let's start making some prototypes. First, I need to import a scan of my bike showing the path of the belt. So, with the tools I had on hand, I tried to come up with something to hold it still while I scanned it using my phone. And it worked. After that, I cleaned up the scan, and then I could finally start working. So here is the result of this first version. No bearings or anything like that. I just wanted to see how it would go. And, well, I'm glad I tested it first because there were a few problems. But the main issue that kept coming back was the belt rubbing against the bike frame. No matter how much I tightened it or adjusted my belt guide, nothing seemed to work. Doing it all in one piece just wasn't possible. Back to the drawing board. So, yeah, this took some time. But after quite a few tries, I think I finally found the solution. Yep, it worked. No special frame, no special belt, just a few 3D printed parts, a couple of bolts and bearings, and the cheapest belt you can find. And there you go. Instead of one solid piece like I originally wanted, I ended up with two parts. The rear section that guides the belt over the frame and the front section that brings it back into alignment. So that was my belt drive conversion project. I hope it sparked your curiosity. Subscribe to the channel for more unique and useful projects. See you soon!